Changing your display name on RedNote. If you've set up a RedNote account and want to update the name on your profile but aren't sure how to do it, don't worry. I've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have a new name in seconds. First, open the RedNote app on your iPhone or Android device. Then, head over to your profile by tapping the Me option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that we're on the profile page, you'll need to tap the Edit Profile button, which is located next to your followers and following list. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various details, including your bio, date of birth, education, and more. To change your display name, tap on the name field right below your profile picture. Enter your new name. I'll type in mine as an example. Once you've entered your desired name, tap Confirm. Finally, save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom. And that's it. Your name is now updated on RedNote. You can see my new name on my profile, so also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.